Happy video day, guys. Christina, Brooke here. Today we have an entire face of e.l.f. makeup. I got the entire new launch from e.l.f. This is the Electric Mood collection. There's 3 different collaborations inside of this collection. Everything is like super fun. We're talking about like rock star music makeup. I love this collection. It was so fun to do this face of makeup. So we are going to be playing with the new Electric Mood eyeshadow palette. This, guys, is a must-see. I can't wait to show you guys how this thing works. We've got some products for the brows. I've got a face palette here for you from e.l.f. We've got some lip products. A lot in today's video. So the funny thing is, I was actually going to be doing a video with magic links for e.l.f. and they sent me over this collection, and then e.l.f. sent me over the collection as well. So I got double this collection. So guess what? That is perfect for you guys because I'm going to be doing a giveaway in today's video. So I'm going to be giving away some of these extra products that I received. Yes, the eyeshadow palette will be part of the giveaway, but we've got so much to cover in this video. So if you haven't done so already, hit subscribe, join the family so I can show up on your timeline once again, and let's go ahead, let's just jump into this right now. Okay, so for the giveaway, what I decided to do is I'm gonna do most of the products on a giveaway here on YouTube, but I'm gonna also give you guys a second opportunity to win some more items over on Instagram, but I'm gonna announce both of the giveaways here on YouTube. For the YouTube giveaway, I'm gonna be giving away the eyeshadow palette as well as the face palette, the mascara, and the eyeshadow creams. So you guys are going to see most of these things demoed in the video. So in order to win this, just comment to me right now which one of these seems the most exciting for you. Which one are you the most excited for? Leave me your Instagram handle or an email address. I kind of like Instagram because it's so easy for me to DM you guys, and then we can also have conversations, so it's kind of easier. But either way, that's how you guys can win this. You have to be subscribed to the channel and you have to like this video. And if you want to do a second entry on Instagram, I'm going to be giving away the eyebrow product. So this is the entire eyebrow kit as well as the lipstick and the gloss. So it's what I'm wearing right now. So these 2 products I'm going to be giving away on Instagram. So if you want to win these products on Instagram, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to YouTube, but go over to my Instagram, follow me over there, like and comment on my last photo, and just let me know that you have come from YouTube and you want to win these products, okay? So that is how we're going to do this giveaway. Good luck to you guys. Anything I'm missing, I'm going to list down below. So just read down below. It'll be easier for you guys to follow the steps. I have my YouTube and my Instagram, everything there clearly so you guys can enter and win. Let's go ahead and let's start playing with the products. Let me show you guys what's in this giveaway because we're going to play with all of it today, and there's such good items. I am so excited. Thanks so much for Magic Links for sending over a portion of this, and thanks so much for e.l.f. for sending over the other portion. So let's go ahead, let's zoom in, let's start playing with some products right now. I got this really cute new top from Abercrombie. You guys are going to be seeing it in a haul. But oh my goodness, I can't fit into it. I feel like a soft sausage. In the intro, you guys saw e.l.f. did send me over the entire Electric Mood collection. So I'm going to kind of like just show you guys everything that's inside of here from my phone because it's too much stuff to pick up and it falls out. All right, so I'm going to show you guys what my view is from my camera. So this is what I'm looking at right now. So this is the whole collection, and they did send me every single piece, and I'm excited to give it a go. Their little pamphlet. So there's 3 different collections here, and this is Music Meets Makeup. So these are limited edition, and they're created with music artists. Huh. Who are these music artists? I don't know who they are. But there's Tove Love, and it's the glitter meets rock and roll grit. It's called the Gritty is Pretty. And there's the new Disco Glitz Brow and Eye Kit, which is $18. The new Hydrating Balm, that's $10. New Glassy Skin Balm, that's $8. There is the new Big Mood Mascara, which retails for $7. And also the Electric Mood Brush Set. So that's what comes inside of that first collection. So then there's the Tiana Major 9 collection, which is the Vibrant Color Goes Graphic. And inside of here, there's the new Feeling Lucky eyeshadow palette, that's $16. There's a lip duo, that's $12. An illuminating elixir for $14. So that's what comes inside of the electric side. And then finally, there is the Pitizion And then finally there is the Pitizion Sun-Kissed with a Bold Lip. There is the new Shadow Crayon Duo, that's $12. The Plumping Sheer Slick, which is $7. There is the De La Sol Cream Face Quad, which is 12 bucks. So that is everything that comes inside of these collections. And like I said, there's 3 different collections. These are in collaboration with some musical artists that I need to Google. I'm gonna pick a few pieces from each one of these collections to try on my face. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so I just swatched everything to show you guys. I don't even know what I want to start using, to be honest. I think what we'll do is we'll start off with the eyes. I kind of want to play with this palette. I need to swatch it still, but I want to play with this palette. So that's what we're going to start off with, the eyes. I'm wearing orange. So let's try to keep within like matching, because I tend to sometimes do this and I'm like, oh yeah, let's do an awesome eye look. And then I'm like, didn't match my outfit. So let's do something that matches orange. So we're gonna go ahead and let's do something. Why don't we do like oranges and purples? That's really pretty. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Orangey purple look. And maybe we'll do a gradient. So we'll go from the lightest all the way to maybe the deepest and maybe accent at the end with that. What do you guys think? Does that sound fun? I think that might sound fun. So let's start off with, okay, so let's start off first with this color right here that's kind of like a yellow. It's not really orange. It's like a yellowy orange. That's actually quite pigmented. I'm jumping around here, guys. When I try to get a thought together, I jump around a lot. So we're going to jump into this one. That's actually pretty pigmented, let me tell you. The color is pretty good. And the color and the pigment's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good color. Okay, so let's do in between the two. I kind of just want to put, what is this? This is interesting. This is not what I wanted, but I think we're going to use this because it's more orange. Ooh, that reminds me of the Patrick Ta formula. Obviously a little thicker, but it's like a glitter. I wasn't expecting like a glitter. Ooh, I like that. What's this one? These two almost look the same color. They're different, but they're almost the same. We'll see when I swatch it. Ooh, this is cool. You guys are gonna like this. This is a really cool formula. It really is very similar to the Patrick Ta formula, that it's like a pressed glitter, but it actually sticks. It adheres. That's really nice. Wow, e.l.f. I'm actually pretty impressed that e.l.f. has a formula like this one. This is very, very, very pretty. Let me grab a little bit of this deep, rich purple, just because now I'm even more interested than when I started. I kind of want to add that in, like right here, kind of deepen out. I'm like, sorry, I stopped talking and everything and just started playing because I'm actually pretty impressed, because this is very good. This is very good quality, because I'm looking at the price tag, I'm thinking drugstore, and I'm saying that was good. Okay, so usually using yellows and purples can be a complete disaster, so I would definitely say be careful when you're using like really light tones, when you're using a deep purple, but this worked wonders. I'm very impressed right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do this lid off camera so that we don't have to relive this whole thing, but okay, we went ahead and we finished up that eye. I went ahead and added the Natasha Denona eyeliner, and I'm kind of liking this eye. I have to admit, this is pretty damn good. If you guys are looking for a colorful palette that is not that expensive but has pretty nice shades, and I'm kind of obsessed with the metallic-y glitters in here. They are beautiful, like really, really, really pretty. They do like that glitter effect. Like, it's not like that metallic effect. It does that glitter effect that I loved in the Patrick Ta palette. Obviously the Patrick Ta one, a little bit more finely milled. This one's a little chunkier, but beautiful on the lid. Love it. I love that palette. So now let's jump into mascara. So they did release their Big Mood mascara. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one on. Can't remember, is this mascara? Did I try this mascara already? Ooh, I think I like this mascara. This has probably been my favorite mascara I've tried from e.l.f. The last one I tried, I believe it was like a volumizing one, or I think, was it volumizing? But this one is my favorite. That's really nice. Okay, so I like this one. It's separating the eyelashes pretty good, and it's also giving me a pretty nice length. Ooh, okay. What else can we try? This has been good. Actually, I've been trying a lot of e.l.f. products lately, and I remember a lot of people telling me that e.l.f. was like their favorite drugstore brand, and now I'm starting to see why. So let's try this one out. So in here, you're getting 4 different cream. Oh, there was a cream bronzer in here. I didn't know. So we have 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlight inside of here. So let me go ahead and swatch all 4. This is the blush. Pretty. This is the highlight. A little bit subtle, but pretty. Let's see this bronzer. Ooh. I'm gonna probably put a little bronzer on anyways just to see what it looks like. And what are we leaving out? Blush, which there's 2 blushes in here, so the top one is the other one. Okay, so there is one that's a little bit more, a deeper one and a brighter one. I have a little bit of cream bronzer on, the Anastasia one, but let's add a little bit more. Let's play with this color and just see what it looks like. Let's just, ooh. So this actually has a little bit of richness to it, but I could probably even use this a little bit for contouring, like just adding a little bit of depth to looks instead of just like going ham with it as a bronzer because it's a little on the deep side. Yeah, you see it's a little bit deep for me, but to add like a shadow to a look, like kind of like if I just wanted to look at my cheekbone, I can do something like this, and that looks like it's blending really nice. A little deep for me for a full-on face bronzer, but like I said, as a little shadow, I like it. I wonder if this comes in any other colors or it's just this one. I think it's just this one. So now I want to actually use, I'm going to use the Dollar blush because this one actually reminds me of Daria, right, from Natasha. And I like these type of more muted ones. So I'm just going to use the brush that it came inside of here. I do like this brush. This brush that came in here, it looks like a brush that has like the good bristles for actually playing with cream products, especially blushes. So let's see. And that's a very pretty pink blush. That's really pretty, right? Don't you guys think that looks nice? I think it looks really nice, very subtle. Didn't pick up any product, didn't pick up foundation. I like it. Now let's grab a little bit of the highlight with my finger because I don't like using brushes with creams. I just kind of like want to dab it on the skin. I think that's just going to give me like kind of like a glistening. This is very, very like Vaseline-y feel. So I wouldn't go crazy with it on my skin because my skin can break out pretty easily. But this is probably going to make me look like high shine. Totally. That's going to give you like that real wet, glistening look. And actually that's really pretty. It doesn't really even have that many glittery particles in it. It's just more like kind of like that wet look, which is really nice. And ooh, I kind of like that little face palette too. That did a really pretty job. What else do we've got inside this box of goodies? So then when it comes to lip products, we have these 2 balmy lipsticks, and then we have this real high glitter with this lip liner. But what I'm gonna do is like, I'm not the biggest fan of like full-on glitter lips, but what I want to try is I want to really try this liner because I really love the brown color. There's an early 2000s, late 90s movement happening if you guys haven't noticed, and yeah, we're gonna be seeing a lot of that type of fashion. Get ready for the makeup. So let's line my lips with this brown. Ooh. That is rich, but you know what, guys? That is what is gonna be really in. I'm gonna put a little bit of this balm first, and then I'll put that little glitteriness, because I look how cute that is. It has a little heart in the center, like that is like adorbs. Yeah. Has a yummy smell to it. It almost smells like a beach. Like I feel like something about it makes me want to go to the beach. Kind of like the way that that lip liner has melted into that. I need to fix it a little bit, but I'm not going to do it yet because I want to play with this glittery thing. I just want to see what it looks like. It is like literally glitter inside of a lip gloss. It's scaring me. Not that bad. Yeah. Okay. That's not really like what I expected. That's not exactly what I expected. I actually thought that this was going to be like a lot of glitter, and it was going to be like, do you remember the Ciate London glittery lipsticks that you would go mwah, and the lips would be like, whoa? This is not that bad. And well, this is a very deep lip liner, but like I said, 90s brownish type of lips. You're probably going to start seeing them a lot in the fall. So I'm preparing, and I'm not hating it. I don't know, this is like my alter ego of like a rock star Christina. What would be my name? What would be my alter ego rock star name? Comment down below, what would be my alter ego name? This is my alter ego, and I'm kind of liking it. Oh, so this is the brow pomade that is kind of just like a wax. So it's a brow wax. Kind of excited for that. My brow wax. Eye and body glitter. So this is an eye and body glitter. Oh my God, are we back in the 90s? Can we like just put this like this? You guys, I used to do this. I used to do this just like this. It used to go right here. My best friend in high school, Monica, if you remember this, you are a gem. Wow, okay, so that's an eye and body glitter. If you want to be full of glitter for the rest of your life, we've got that. Oh, so this is a glassy balm. I'm thinking that you could probably put this on your skin, right? And it's kind of like gonna act like a highlighter. But let's play with this one. I want to play with the wax. So let's just grab inside this wax. I don't know if you're supposed to wet this, but it has to be because this is like... So I'm wetting my brush. I'm gonna go into this balm. Cool. I mean, like, I don't really use this type of product, so I think I will be impressed by any of them because, look, it's making my eyebrows stick up. Like, it's giving me that feathered brow look. I mean, if you guys want to try out this and you don't want to, like, buy the really expensive ones, it looks like it's working. You guys see my brows kind of going up, right? I just realized that I didn't blend out some of the blush from my Instagram that I was filming, so let's just fix that up. So you definitely have to spray your brush and wet it because the balm is not like it's not wet, so you have to like wet it and wet the brush. So I think that's how you work with them. I usually don't use waxes, but it's the only thing I could think, but it worked. It worked. So, and what was this thing for? Illuminating Elixir Serum. So I don't know what this is for. Mine is broken. Came broken in transit, but that's gonna happen sometime. Let's just put it here. Let's just see what this looks like, because I don't know really what it's for, but if it's, maybe it's for like mixing medium for your makeup. What it does, it just gives you like a little glisteniness, but you probably could put it underneath like your makeup to give you like that real like glistening face look, or you could probably just use it on your body like I did. But ooh, okay guys, we've got a lot of fun products. We tried a lot of cool stuff today. Anyway, so here is my full face of the brand new release from e.l.f. What do you guys think? Isn't this super fun makeup? I don't know, I think that this was a really, really fun collection. Let's go ahead and zoom out. I'll tell you guys my favorite products, and let's get into that right now. So, yeah, I'm very impressed with a lot of the products I tried. The all-stars to me, I love this eyeshadow palette. I know I'm gonna be playing with it more. The thing that really intrigues me the most are these glittery shadows. I really like them. I think they're so cool. They're different, not something I'm used to seeing from the drugstore. And then I also like this palette right here. I think it did a really nice job. It was a really cute face palette. I can get a lot of use out of it. The mascara also hit for me. I really like the mascara. I want to play more with this wax, but let me tell you, I've always wanted one of these wax products, but I'm one of those people, I didn't want to pay that much money for it because I know I'm not going to use it all the time. But this is so cool and I really like it. And it comes with glitter, which I kind of like glitter, so I really like that. The lipstick, I really love this liner. I think this is going to come so handy in the fall when we start seeing these rich brown colors start to come out. But yeah, I like a lot of the products we tried. I like a lot of the products we tried. I think that there is some really good stuff in this collection. So if anything from here interests you, I will have it all linked down below, but also you can find a lot of the stuff at Target, they said. So, but anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and share and comment and enter into the giveaway. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.